alphabet. Third world, Armenia. Let's go. Stamped out of Georgia, walked into the stone. The script on the signs, dram in my hand unknown. Canyon walls rising where the Debed River runs. Monasteries up high, Soviet rust down below the sun. Factories fading, taken back by the land. Lada's made of glass from a long forgotten plan. Guy talking history, I nod but I don't see. Borders kept on shrinking, what that means didn't hit me. Ancient stones, holding on. 1,000 years of prayer in the walls still strong. Fire, wine, and stone, it's the final zone. Sometimes you don't learn it till you're sitting back home. Sometimes you don't learn it till you're sitting back home. On the ridge, 97680, no gold, no glass, dark stone simplicity. Crotch cars carved by hand, every cross unique. First nation of the faith since 301, so to speak. Not just churches, nah, these were schools, libraries. Language locked in stone through the worst centuries. Sanahin crossed the valley with the classroom flow. Names 1,000-year diss, some older than you though. Cow in the road, Lada rolling slow. Nobody honking, that's just how it goes. Then the kitchen table, tea and gata warm. 200 years of tradition weathering the storm. Ancient stones, holding on. 1,000 years of prayer and the walls still strong. Fire, wine, and stone, it's the final zone. Sometimes you don't learn it till you're sitting back home. Dilijan night, forest air, day 9 done. Armenia was only getting started.
Did you enjoy the song? It's basically the trip. Pretty awesome. Third border, basically third in the alphabet. You know, just all that little bit of metaphors of it. Coming into Armenia, went through the Debed Canyon. You saw the map. We stopped in many different places after we crossed the border. The border crossing was also one that was pretty much intense due to when we were visiting Armenia, they had some the EU summit, something was going on, so of course their borders were a lot stricter and they were pretty much intimidating. So Haghpat Monastery, the Sanahin Monastery, and then as well as between the stops almost hit some cows, but we ended up our day in Dilijan, which is known as the Switzerland of Armenia. I guess it's beautiful, it's green, it's beautiful place if you ever go there. We stayed at the Best Western, and then really we crossed. We're in Armenia, and I don't know, for some reason this country hit different. I guess we'll see it on the next days. Guys, thank you for being with me this long. My name is Justo, this is Justo Hops, and really what I'm doing is just sharing as much as I can on the trips that I am doing throughout my life, and I just do it as a hobby. And if you're having fun enjoying them, please put some comments below, give me some tips. I'm going to be going in the future. I'm already getting tips about Malta. I will be going to South Korea sometime next year, hopefully, if everything works out. But for now, thank you all for watching. Continue on. The next song that's coming up is in Armenia. It's an Armenian language, but I think it has a really good beat to it. All this is done through my script from my notes. So again, I take my notes that I have from traveling. I use AI as a tool to help me modify my notes, and then I take that and then I'm able to build a soundtrack or songs, but as well as some talking notes when I have this discussion with you guys. And at the present moment, I think I've taken so many takes that I have no idea anymore what I'm doing, but I know that I'm at episode 9 and crossing the border. We're in Armenia, first day in Armenia, and we're going to be staying overnight in Dilijan. Check it out. Continue watching, please. There's going to be more videos on, and if you can still see it, it's going to continue on. There is going to be some pictures in the end. Stay there. There is, I want to see if any of you can figure that out. There is a picture of me, and then there's another picture. And try to figure out how you can. Let me know in the comments if you're able to make a comparison or how they relate between the picture of me. So it's in the end of the very few last 30 seconds of this video. Wait for it or go there, but there's a picture of me. I'm taking a selfie, and then the picture after that, they both have a relationship. See if you can figure that out, and if you can, comment below and let me know. Also, this is my chance to let you know and plug in my GPT that I've created. It's ChatGPT. It's free. Anyone can do this, and I decided to do one with the help you travel and help you plan your travels. So continue watching, enjoy. Guys, there's gonna be another song coming up, and after that, I hope to see you in day 10. This is Husto Hops. Auf Wiedersehen.
Երրորդ սահման, երրորդ հայբուբեն, Հայաստան գնացինք։
Անցանք սամանը նոր երկիր, նոր հող Դեպետի ձորում գետը հոսում է ներքևով Վանքերը բարձրում, ժայռերի վրա Խորհրդային գործարանները ժանգոտում են ահա Ուղեկցորդը պատմում է, երկիրը մեծ էր մի ժամանակ Լսում էի, բայց չէի հասկանում այն պահանջած ժամանակ Հազար տարվա աղոթք պատերի մեջ պահված Գրագինի քար, վերջին երկիրն է սա Երբեմն հասկանում ես միայն տուն գնալուց հետո Երբեմն հասկանում ես միայն տուն գնալուց հետո Հաղպատ լերան վրա 976 Ոչ ոսկի, ոչ փայլ, միայն մուգ քար ու լույս Խաչքարեր, ձեռքով քանդակված, ամեն մեկն իր պատմության Առաջին քրիստոնյա ազգը 301 թվականից Սանահին ձորի մյուս կողմում դպրոց ու գրադարան Անունն ասում է սանրանիցին է 1000 տարվա գատա Գովը ճանապարհին լադան դանդաղ է գնում Թեյ ու գաթա տաք սեղանի շուրջ 200 տարվա վանդույթ դեր ապրում Հազար տարվա աղոթք պատերի մեջ պահված Գրագինի քար, վերջին երկիրն է սա Երբեմն հասկանում ես միայն տուն գնալուց հետո Դիլիջանի գիշեր, անտարիոտ Օրեինը վերջացավ Հայաստանը նոր է